Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the power and square root function in math package in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way. Here I use as a simple notepad to type our Java program. You can also use notepad plus plus and JCreator, that editor, but so many editor is there. And what is a benefit? So here you can learn more. Yes, here no any color combination guideline, so you can careful typing, so that is you can learn more in Java. So let us start. First, import keyword and java dot language and math, our class, and we can import that class to our class. And class, that name, we can say that test math. Yes, any suitable, give the name of class. And then we can public. So public, that is a main public, because outside that is a JDK call to outside of our main method, so that is a public, must be main method is a public. And then static keyword, so without our class object that call our main method, so that is a static keyword. And void keyword, so that is a not written any value, that you have to know. And then string args, that is a one string array we have to pass in main method. And now we can start here, that is a double. So that is the same 8 byte required in Java in like C and C++. So here we can x, that we have to define as 2. And then again you can also double. And directly, yes, here you can also take like comma y equal to, that is we have to 5. And then we can, yes, directly system dot out dot print. And then we can say that uh, power is and 2 upon 5. Yes, so power is 2 upon 5. So directly plus sign, and we can use, yes, so math dot power. And then we can pass x upon y. So let us, that is finished. So first we can use as a power function. Now, yes, that is a rules, that class name must be file name in Java. So I can save in file menu, control S, you can also provide. And then our folder, yes, in F drive Java Pro, that folder is already selected. If your folder is not select, you can select and then save. But here be careful, because here is a notepad, so txt extension, but our test, yes, and math dot java extension must provide. So that is our source file. So I can save. Yes. Now what to do? So I minimize notepad and go as a DOS prompt. So command prompt. Yes, I type in search. So that is a command prompt. I click, and then what to do? So cd slash, that is a DOS command. So here we can cd, then f colon. So f drive, that drive is changed. And then cd change directory, cd slash, you can come out the directory, but cd you have to know DOS command. So here our folder name Java Pro, means programming. And then here our Java path that I create as a one batch file in my first video lecture. So if you not know how to create the batch file, so that you can first watch that video. So hello world in the Java program, I that time I create the Java path.bat batch, that file. So here that is a set our JDK path. So then we can compile and run our Java program. So that, so always you can, any program you can compile and run, first set your path. Otherwise you can also take as environment variable in your system or laptop PC. So yes, that you can see here, that is a first, that clear the screen, then set path, that our path JDK is set, and our class path. So all class, that bytecode files save in this same folder. So you can look here, I ds, so that is a first, then batch file. And then here our only Java math, that test math.java, but that class file is not there. So now we can compile, yes, Java C, that is a Java JDK tools Java compiler, and T capital test math.java. So yes, let us check. Yes, there is no any error. Otherwise, taking here that any errors like semicolon mistake, so that give the error. Yes, now here and here again, so you can look here. Test.class file is created. So JVM compile to our source code and creating the same folder, because we have to set the class path as same folder. So that file is stored in this folder class file. That is a bytecode. JVM Java Virtual Machine to compile our source code means that source in bytecode. So that is a class file. And now Java, that is application launcher, that is second JDK tools, and we can first that is right test math. So that is a class file is run bytecode, and you can look here 32. That is the answer of 2 raised to 5. So that is the power of 2 raised to 5, and answer is 32. So that perfectly. And now what to do? So again I open our notepad, and we can take an second part means that is a square root. So yes, I you can declare anywhere like double variable I declare, and I use like p different variable. So 25, and then we can square root. So that is a perfectly. And now what to do? So again we can take system dot out dot print ln. So that is a taking new line. So we can say that the square root is, yes, and plus sign concatenation, and we can use square root of here we can say that 25. So yes, let us check. So math dot that sqrt square root, that function you have to know in C and C++ you have learned. So here we can pass as a p. So let us check. I again save. Yes, Control S. You can also press, and then again go in the DOS prompt. And first I give the clear the screen, so all are clear. And then same Java. Only one time you can set your path. Then number of program you can compile and run. That is a benefit of you create the batch file. So you can must watch, or I recommendation to you to watch my first Hello World program in Java, so then you can better understand. So here we have to not create batch file. So first video lecture I take the how to create the and what is the rules of batch file. So yes, Java C again, and then you can compile math test math dot Java. So we can change, save, and then again compile. So let us check. Yes, there is no any error. And Java, then we can run our program. So give the that is only Java is application launcher. That is a JDK Java development tool. So 23 tools of JDK, and here we can use Java compiler, and that is a Java is a application launcher, means run our program. So let us take, yes, here you can look the power, yes, 32, and square root, yes, 25 is 5. So that is a perfectly. But yes, now that I think perfectly. So let us check. So that is only simple. In this session we can learn the how to use as a math class in Java. And that is we can, yes, here you can also that print ln. So here slash n, yes, that here we can take as first year that we have to provide ln. So taking new line, here after there is no line, so here is better. And also you can use slash n. So that is a backslash character constant. So I control s. Yes, here we can save our file again. Alt F and S. You can press save, and then go in those prompt. And again I compile Java C and test math dot Java. So let us take, yes, no error. And now again run. So test math, yes, so no give any extension, that is a class file. So you can look here, that is a new line. So that is a print ln. So yes, that is a better. First I provide here, but that is a required to here, because we have to, after that is line, after we have to take new line. Here there are no any line. So that is a print and print ln. Two method we have to discuss. So ln means new line. So that is a output stream. That is a system is class, output is a stream. Stream you have to know input and output. So stream is a collection of bytes, and then we have to use in the Java. So yes, here we can discuss as a power and square root in Java. So you can use like floor, ceiling, ABS, FABS. So all math function used in the same way. So now I can complete this session. So you can set your class batch path, like we have to set only one time batch file. So that is a better. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.